And what about your interview? How was your actual interview and how was your mock one?
Okay, that interview was the first ever interview of my life. I went to SEBI, वहाँ पे पैनल में there are 4 members and वो लोग काफी एक्सपीरियंस दुनिया देखी होती है उन्होंने, तो वो आपसे कुछ भी कहीं से भी पूछ लेते हैं. आई एम जस्ट अ फ्रेशर, ना मैंने कभी कोई इंटरव्यू दी है, एंड आई नेवर अपीयर्ड फॉर एनी इंटरव्यू. आई गॉट so I was scared, but we had a mock session, mock interview with you, and it was well eye opener for me. I always knew that I know things. I know about how security market work, how security laws work, and my basics were never weak. But the questions I faced in mock interview was, well, as I said, eye opener, because questions on the similar lines I had in my actual interview. It was mainly based on my profile. Of course, my internship experiences questions came out there, and all the basic things. They never went into the depth. They wanted to know whether the surface I have got about the knowledge is it intact or the good enough or not. Because there are a lot of students, when we ask them, can you please define tort? Most of them won't be able to. They don't know what tort is, it's a civil wrong and everything, but they want to put it in the exact definitions. So these are the type of questions they were asked in the interview. And well, there were so many questions. It went on for, I guess, 20 minutes, my interview. I knew most of the answers, but there were questions I had no idea about. So and I never tried to beat around the bush. I just said them, okay, I don't know. And they were like, okay. So it was interesting, scared. I was scared and all the emotions, but I went through it.
That's great.